don't know if you can see my wallet, but they do a video on the reaction channel I tell them about them wallet here, the EKSTER wallet them. Where you just boom press the button and your card them pop up. You know what I mean? Nice like a wallet. Yeah. So if you want one, link in the description. EKSTER. The weirdo, me there, so I contemplate if I just, make a video or not. And like my hand it just press the button. Not even feel when my hand touch the screen. Today is one of those days, man. You know? One of them days where you just feel out of it. Your vibe and your energy just crash. Some days you feel good, feel like everything alright. Your spirits are up there, you feel motivated, you want to do things. And then there are days like this when you're on the brink of having maybe like a panic attack or some shit. When you not take the path where everybody else take, it's rough. Because there's nothing there to really facilitate and help people who not tread the traditional path. And when shit go left, it even rougher. But I guess at the end of the day, you have to just keep fighting, keep pushing. You think about it, man, some days you just you don't want to be a part of this, like this world or this type of life that is just, let me just say, being an adult is shit. Every fucking day you get up, there's a new bill, and it just seems like money as you get it gone or it not come your way. And eventually, with time, things will you get to look back and say, oh, damn, remember when we did at that point. So I guess this is the purpose of that for me. Being able to look back and say, oh, that was one of those low points for me. And I'm in a better place now. And for you, maybe it's just something to help you, say, oh, YouTubers, social media personalities, just people you think are do better than you, whole, you know what I mean? Them have them low points too. Them have them days when and just feel like give up. Or you just have to keep pushing on. Remember what you do it for. And just know, say, as long as you have life, and just a little bit of willpower, Of course, you talk to God, but there's only so much that God are gonna do unless you do your part. You have to do your little piece. You can send up a million prayers, but if you not put no action on your part behind the prayers, then nothing not gonna happen. It is on a day like this where, motivation and then thing that you need it. So I went to read the comments on the last video I put up on the Kevin Too Crazy extra channel. The love and the support is real. I appreciate it. Every single one I will comment. My heart, every single comment. Reply to a few. Big up on yourself, man. I appreciate that. And some people did also donate to the my PayPal. Big up the persons who donate. Load up on the thing, But I appreciate that. I have not been able to log into my link, so I don't know if anybody's saying anything there as yet. But give thanks for that too. As I said, the love is there. The love is there. And I appreciate it, man. Sometimes life just really, it get you down, brother. And, you know, the average person would have say, oh, look on so-and-so situation. I don't know if I did ever say this to Uno before, like, I don't want to use the fact that somebody else is not in a situation that is as good as mine for kind of make me feel better about myself. So I don't want to be like, oh, because John live a worse life than me, then that means say, oh, if you give thanks and all that thing there. I want to be grateful just for being grateful sake, not being grateful under the terms of somebody else have it rougher. You know? Nobody know want to have it rough in a life, brother. People just want to live and enjoy the existence, yeah. But some days you get tougher than some. But still we push through. Go for all the people them we are send the good vibe and the good energy. Yeah man, bless up on yourself. I mean I read the comments them and you know, tears run from my eye. For real. But I go and push through man. Just know say I have ideas, I just will execute them. Them they did in my head and I couldn't take them in my head no more. So I take them out of my head and I write them on a little whiteboard where I did make. So from that stage, you know, I just say execute them. Need a couple things really for like get to doing it. I think one of the things that I need is like a cameraman, but somebody will live close to me and trustworthy people and them thing. You know what I mean? Just people who already in the field, who are do camera work, who are who don't have a problem for just say, yo, when you're ready to shoot, me know. Preferably just being like in the parish where I live, because same time I live in a runaway bayside, see? So you just need somebody where they in the field every day or so, and them can move around. And just at a moment's notice, if I say, yo, come and go film something, them ready. You see me? I don't know what I'm going to go on today. Place kind of hot, not like the regular hot. And the thing is, I'm not even summer yet, so I don't know what I'm going to eat. Yeah. The little vibe with me, you know, it's still there, but reading the comments really kind of help you like uplift my spirit. Bless up on yourself again for that, yeah. There, so I watch like a nightly fix, you understand? And a nightly fix again, a fix. My apologies. But you know, sometime in a life you feel like you didn't have things figured out, and then all of a sudden everything just get turned upside down, and you don't know what to do again. You know what I mean? But all you have to do, you know, people, are just take your time. You understand? And you have to observe the problem, and you have to see your next move before you make it. You see me? So once you do that now, you just work up a strategy, or use a strategy where already exists to get them moves there and get the blocks in the right place. You understand? Yeah, man. Alright, well, I'm going to turn down, fix a little bit. So we can chat to you. Boom. So we go so. I will drop that there, so Zed. After we drop that this one, we are work on the strategy, you know, people, because you understand a time consuming event and we don't want to spend too much time. Before we get the strategy right, we just want to make sure so we start make a mad move. Look, roops. That did so. So the next one now we line up this. Boom. Over here so, what we are look for? Green in the middle, so we are look for green if you line up. Where you green there? Where you green with the white there, brother? Green with the white. Green with the, okay, green with the white up at top here. A joke thing. The box cover. Big idiot sitting out here though. Boom. And you just go and work and you figure out and you take a little time and you say coof. Remember all it takes to figure it out, you know, just when you have a strategy then you need to say yo, them pieces where you want to feel in them pieces, so what's your style now. And I explain nothing to you, you know, just no, hold on, boom, boom. Boom. Hey. Alright, I try to solve it quickly. No, go around so. Some more, come back over here, so boom. Black eye. And you want to go so. Back in high school, the Rubik's Cube did popular over Chester, you see me, like it did just become popular out of blue, I don't know like what did happen. But then everybody did have a Rubik's Cube. It was a thing and everybody have tried to figure out it, and then eventually, like how most people they figure it out, I think of go up on YouTube, college of everything and free. So you learn how to do them things. And then the other day now, when me did fly out, me did kind of go back to war one, so I just go get one and then me have to go back to go learn on YouTube how to like solve it. Return, you know what I mean? Take a little time and them something there. So if you don't want to learn how to do it, just Google YouTube. Just YouTube how to solve a Rubik's Cube and them will show you, man. You know me? So you not even have to worry because yo, Kevin, how you go so fast, brother? I try to figure it out. Oh, man, you go learn from YouTube, man. Boom. Things in a place and you say, yeah man, it look like you're almost done but you need to fit in and you can't pocket them, you see me? So you find a side with the two of them depend where two depend one side line up right. Sometimes all four of them and you can skip that stage. But there you as me say you will learn it on YouTube, watch ya. So you have two and you go so boom, 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 boom. Or you go back, boom, boom, boom. Alright, everything line up you know. Everything line up. And what you do, you just solve each corner. Sometimes and so you go. Sometimes things don't fall in a place and all you need to do is couple of moves. You understand? You have to do some other things, but once you figure out the strat, man, you just do your thing, you see me? Until, hey man, eventually, everything I go fall in a place. Rascal, I take the sitting out of frame, but yeah, sure. Eventually, honestly, what I try to get at with this is that sometime in a life, everything just jumbled and you know really set up the right way. But once you have the strategy, and once you figure it out, and you start make the right moves, eventually, everything will come together, like how the Rubik's Cube will come together. And I think that is an important part of this video. Just like I want to see how I feel down and them thing there. Whenever I feel a little weird, I always take up my Rubik's Cube, and I'm just going to solve it. Because just like how things out of place, and don't feel right, and just confusing and they're all over the place, eventually, once you figure it out, everything will go fall in the right place and it will go come together to make something solid and organized. That's it. Thank you for coming to my TED Talk. I'll see you guys next week. On a day like this, you know, I usually just come down to the beach side and easy. I'm not even going to water, I'm just gonna look sometimes, you see me? I'll kick it while I got the car. To do the smoking thing from where it's like oil I get in the engine and I flood the engine. Not even for that, but it's the same problem we are going for a little while now. And it just happened a while ago. Yesterday we tried to sort it out and things say good. The car run like how it is supposed to run. And then this again. With my vibe when I already in already. What can you do, you know? What can you do? When lemons come at you, you make lemonade. Like when the sun like close up a set, sometimes I have my old camera with me, so I'm going to take some pictures, you see me, at the sunset and them things. If I get something decent to them, I'm going to show them. But that's what I usually do here. Just go and chill. Listen to the waves and make you wash out my thoughts. Sometimes I go in the water, sometimes I go in. I don't know if you can see my wallet, but they do a video on the reaction channel I tell them about them wallet here, the EKSTER wallet them. Where you just boom, press the button and your card them pop up. You know what I mean? Nice little wallet. Yeah. So if you want one, link in the description. EKSTER. Nice little wallet for a gift or something. And they have like all different type. They have like titanium, I think. Some military looking one, gold. Check them out. Link in the description. Probably not gonna hear me so good because of the crashing of the waves. But you know, I wait for the sun to set, or you know, at least get a vibe so I can see me can snap a couple pictures of it. And also I just go and sit down out there, so you know, until. And just like that, people, the day is done, you know. Kind of a shitty day. Can't hide from that, but it is what it is. Tomorrow is a new one. If we are here, it's kind of like a reset button for life. Not the reset button where some of us want, but it's the one we have to work with. So, make the best of tomorrow, isn't it? Look at more people.